Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. If you ever have any questions regarding estate planning or probate matter and like to have a strategy session, just go to indianaestatemeeting.com. We can set up a time when we can chat on the phone. You can come into the office and we can discuss your potential issues, or we can even do it by video conference if you're more comfortable with that. So today I'd like to talk a little bit about, in this day and age, everybody is pushing trusts in the estate planning business, or a lot of financial planners are also push trusts. And trusts definitely have their place. But trusts also have some detriments that you need to know about. One of them really has to do with creditors. So if you're somebody that has a lot of debt and you pass away and your trust lives on and your trust keeps on going, creditors could potentially come after the funds in the trust. On the other hand, if you had stuff that has gone through your will, there is a very short time period in which creditors can go ahead and file a claim against the estate once they receive notice. And then we have another protection statute here in the state of Indiana called the non-claim statute. So if you're really worried about death, see, the non-claim statute says no claim will be valid if it's filed after 1 year from the person's date of death. So if you're really concerned about debtors being out there, you can just sit on the matter for a year, file the probate, and then the creditor's claims will be extinguished by the non-claim statute. But a lot of folks do not go ahead and do that because they want to take care of their business. They don't want to, play around with creditors. They don't want to wait. A lot of times people want to, sell the property if there's property, or dispose of the assets as quickly as possible because folks want to go ahead and get on with the rest of their lives after somebody dies. And you see, you don't have that non-claim period, and you don't have those strict time limits when a trust is involved. So if it's a trust that for some reason does not have asset protection benefits beforehand, the creditors might potentially keep on bothering the trust for years to come until the trust purpose is finally met and the trust is dissolved. If you have any questions about an Indiana estate planning matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.